The Madlanga Commission restarts today, and before it even starts, as we were heading into the long weekend, we heard that Sergeant Fani Nkosi, the guy at the center of recent activity in the Madlanga Commission, and he sat there giving evidence for like 6 days. There was a raid on his house, and a lot of things pitched up. Now, this guy is quite amazing because he was the middleman, he was the doer, the fixer for everything that these criminal syndicates were doing. No doubt that there's some intellect buried under the buffoonery, but the one part that wasn't that smart was that you've been on the stand at the Madlanga Commission for days and days. It closes shop for a little while. Even while this was happening, surely a little voice inside of your head would have told you, let's not leave everything lying around the house. Well, the police arrived at his house to find 490 rounds of ammunition. They found a state-issued hand grenade. They found firearms lying in places that these were licensed firearms, his own firearms, that weren't locked away. And then, most damningly, they found official police case dockets lying in his house. Now, we sometimes don't have the smartest people in the world. It's a bit like, when Julius Malema decides to shoot guns in public, knowing that this is an easy law to apply. It's very hard to get away with it. It's the small stuff that gets you. Whether you do it, sometimes manufactured against you,